Rightio, so we've got this drain back here, and the drain from the front door is that little square bit there, and you've got all of these plants and brushes and everything like that that are in the way, obviously, and spiky plants, which we don't like, so I'm having to chop all of that back, which is just taking extra time for me to then get to the drain and unblock it. But yeah, you can see all of this back here, all of these crisps and whatnot, and it is on the property line. There's the upstairs flats, and then here is a little section which is yeah, covered in detritus and everything like that, so it needs to be removed. Yeah. Okay, so this is the front door property, and then there is the drain there. It was full of plants, brambles basically. So what I've done is I've ripped out as much as I can from there, and then I've cleaned up the patio space as much as I can as well. But if you have a look, there is a pipe just there. I'm not sure how well you'll be able to see it. Let's try and zoom in. There we go. So there's a pipe there and it's cracked. It's supposed to be going all the way through to the other end, but you can see there that there's a puddle because the concrete is basically let's see if my finger will point in the general direction. There we go. So there, that's a puddle, and basically the concrete has cracked and the brambles are growing through that, which needs repairs. And then the pipe originally went through there and then comes out of there into that drain there. So I've cleared all of this with brambles, well, removed all the brambles, given it as much of a clean as I can. There you go, so massive improvement in comparison to what it was. And then I've also cleared that out, which is a drain. And that was full of muck, mud and other things like that. And I would recommend that you get somebody out regularly to clear it out or give it a good clean, because it will back up and have the same problem again. And there was all sorts of stuff like crisp packets and plastic and all sorts of stuff, face masks, you name it. So really important that it stays clear.